What's good? What is good, my sizers? We are back again with another video, and today we will be going over what the deluxe suite, the Luxor casino, looks like inside of the East Tower. So let's get into it. All right, so when we first enter the room, we're greeted by some wall art and a couple of lights on the right. And then we walk down the hallway and we're greeted by a table and chair and some more wall art. And that is another chair next to the window with a view. We will check that out in a second. You do have a TV because this will be like your living area. Speaking of living area, we have some more wall art and a couch with a table. So it's really just giving the living room vibe. There is also a conjoining room here, so you can add it on to your suite, but you don't have to. And then if we go left, we are greeted by what would be the dining area. So we have a dining table with a view. So this is the view from the dining room area. And as you can see, we just see basically the same things. We can see more of the Excalibur parking garage on the left. But again, we see the palms, the T-Mobile Arena, and then the backside of Excalibur, of course, as well. And then you have your bar area. So you have a bar with two chairs, and this is the kitchen area. So we have a mini fridge, a sink, the little ice bucket, again with the coffee, and a mirror. Hey guys. So we have that, and again, this is one of those refrigerators that you could fill up with yourself, and it's not one of those you have to pay extra for because they have it filled up already. There's your sink. And then you just have a couple of extra little drawers and cabinets that you could fill up with your own things, and some counter space as well. Now let's check out the bedroom. So if we turn left, we're greeted by another chair, the bed, which is a standard queen. The TV is in the corner, and then you have a nightstand there and there. So this is the view from the bedroom window. So as you can see, we're looking at more of the Excalibur. It's like the backside of Excalibur, but it's overall really pretty. I would say this view is better because we could also see the palms straight ahead. I see an In-N-Out burger sign, the T-Mobile Arena you can kind of see. So I think this view is pretty good considering. But let's check out the bathroom. So when we're going toward the bathroom, we're greeted by three doors, and the door on the right is a closet with the safe in it, the iron, hangers, things like that. And then the door literally across the hall is another closet. So they basically have his and hers closets. And then you're greeted by the bathroom. But what's great about this bathroom is you have like a little vanity area right here. As soon as you walk into the bathroom, you could do your little makeup and stuff, and then you keep walking, and there's two sinks, and there's again of course a mirror, so hello. And then on the left side of that you have your toilet. Now the one thing that is not the best about this toilet is the fact that there's no door to close off the toilet. So if you have to go to the toilet, you have to close off this main door right here for privacy instead of being able to close off just the toilet right here. But then if we keep going, we're greeted by like a little hallway area, and you have your bathtub, though there are no jets. But you have your little bathtub and then a stand-in shower right here. All right, you guys, that concludes this week's video of what to expect when you're booking a deluxe suite in the East Towers at the Luxor Casino. Gosh, that's a mouthful. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below your guys' thoughts or experiences if you guys have stayed at the Luxor. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!